Hi! Welcome to the Acrylic Paint Pouring Academy. I am so glad you are here with me. My name is Erica Tenney and I am the creator of Desert Hippie Arts. I love all types of art, but I especially love fluid pour art. When I was a child, my grandmother gifted me a love for art. She was a professional oil paint artist and she used to give me and my sister drawing lessons during the times we spent together. I loved watching her work. When my kids were little, I started scrapbooking and I found myself falling in love with mixed media art. In 2017, I discovered acrylic paint pouring and I loved how unpredictable the techniques are and how enjoyable it was to experiment with. In this course, I will share some of my personal recipes and techniques that I have learned through countless trials and errors. And you will learn how to create your own beautiful masterpieces from start to finish. The beginning level techniques that you will learn are the flip cup, the dirty pour, the tree ring, the puddle pour, the dip pour, and the swipe technique, with a couple of bonus lessons at the end. We will also discuss the supplies you will need, what pouring medium is, how to make your own, how to mix your own paints, how much paint you should use, some tips, troubleshooting common problems, how to seal your paintings when you're done, and how to install the hanging hardware so you can start enjoying your own masterpieces. I hope that this course helps streamline the learning process for you so that you can enjoy this art form quickly and easily. Once you learn the basic techniques, I encourage you to experiment and try combining the techniques to create your own original masterpiece. But before we dive into this course, I do want to give you a warning. Acrylic paint pouring is highly addictive. Be prepared to learn and have fun. So are you ready to get started? Let's go.